Welcome to our fishing channel. We're in Bayview. Dad's feeling lucky. I'm going to put the kontiki out.
Because it got too much sandflies.
Dumb?
It's dumb because it has too much sandflies.
Sandflies, okay. Hunter, what do you think of our fishing spot today? What? Bad? Oh, the old man reckons I'm chucking the kontiki in. This is dangerous. I've got to wait for the big wave. What do you think of this idea? Got camera shy. Oh, you're blushing. Okay. I think this is a very dumb idea. His idea. What was that? Oh my god, how many chins is that? Looking out for my life. Obviously she...
I don't know what those chins are.
You want the sinker? First catch for the day. Huss, huss, huss.
Like, dude, cast. I knew I was going to catch one.
Nice. Bye, fishy. Jasmine's clever idea. Dragging. Think smarter, not harder. Off to get bug spray because the kids are getting eaten. The reason why there's so many bugs is because, oh, take your fucking food home with you. She's a bit heavy. Don't know if it's because of the fucking huge ass waves or what. What have we got? Is that a snapper? Oh, she's a nice one. Some goodie. Broke one of the traces, so we're guessing that there was something heavier on that because it wasn't that heavy from just that. Yeah. Big cuzzy. Ready? Akaryamai Oriteko Kiyar.
I got two baby fishies.
Fishies. Are we in luck? Are we in luck? Nephew. The boss is calling. Just getting a rundown on how to do it. This is going to be good. Jasmine in her natural habitat. Holy hecka, that's beautiful. She looks petrified. Why are you in water? It didn't work. Run, Forrest, run. Did it work? I don't know. No, it's still floating. Just didn't quite get out there.
It wasn't working, like it didn't start, but that was because I was just tapping it, holding it there.
What did you just say, dude?
I think she threw it right at the wrong time.
Talk us through that.
I'm huffed now. Nearly died.
Any more? Any more?
Terrified. My ass is wet.
I think it's not that wet. Oh, it's not your
I
fit.
tucked in.
Not too shabby, Lou. So if he runs, run for us. Wow, I've never seen this being done before. It's quite cool. My son has decided that we're going to eat some.
Snapper liver.
You go first.
Like, you took a bite.
It's not that bad. way. Right, we thought about, wow, look at that beautiful wave. I thought about the dangers of fucking eating a liver, like parasites and shit. But then I googled it and yep, parasites. But also some cultures eat raw fish liver in Japan and other Asian countries, so I identify as Asian and I'll be all good. Oh, I got another little fish. A little baby. We're going to keep that for bait.
The sinker didn't come out. Did it what? Did it just stay in there?
I'm going to taste Shahi with the fish. Sissy got us fucking burritos for lunch. Oh, yummy. Zoom in. Yummy. Chins up. Tits out. Chins up. He's going to have a smoke and a drink and then he's going to bring it in. These boots are made for walking.